Hello everybody, it is Nat from Studio Hacks here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I rank my YouTube videos really high in the search, often in the top 20, many times in the top 10, and a lot of my videos come up as one of the first 3 videos. This is a method of video SEO that I have developed over the 3.5 years that I have been doing YouTube, and I built about 4 separate YouTube channels up to well over 10, 20,000 subscribers, one with over 40,000 subscribers. And so this works for any topic. So if you want to learn how to do that, stick around and I'll show you how to do it right now. So the basic thesis of how to rank videos is finding long tail keywords that have high search and low competition. The best tool for finding these keywords is called Tubebuddy. It is an extension for your browser, and I use it in the Brave browser, but it also works in Chrome and Firefox. I will leave a link in the description so that you can get Tubebuddy. There's a free version which works perfectly fine for small creators, and if you want to get a lot more serious, there is a paid version, but the free version works just fine. So when you go to the Tubebuddy website, you simply install for free now, and it will then take you to the extensions, and you go add to insert whatever browser you are using. You should now have the Tubebuddy extension under your list of extensions. Now I'm going to refresh my YouTube. So I'm logged into my YouTube channel, and you'll see up on the top right hand corner here, Tubebuddy sign in required. Click here. So you have to sign in, and it gives some permissions to your YouTube channel to sort of get data feeds and things like that. So you sign in with YouTube, and it will prompt you to sign in, and make sure you select the Google account and the YouTube channel that you want to apply this to. Now we have this new little icon right here, which is the Tubebuddy plugin. It's added all kinds of different user interface options to your YouTube channel now. For instance, if I click on somebody's video, it's going to show me there's this extra box. It sometimes takes a couple of seconds to populate right here. This is going to show me how many views this video has, how many views this person's channel has got, all this extra stuff. And this is the most important thing right here. It shows them the tags that they're using, and you can show the search rankings right here. So this is how high in the search rankings this video is showing up for this keyword. Okay, so basically, whatever niche you're in, we need to find a topic first. We don't just try and make a video first and then get it to rank. We need to find a topic that's going to rank. So I have been studying a little bit about a trading platform called TradingView. So now I'm going to use the Tubebuddy plugin to find a good search term for TradingView. So the easiest way that you can do this is simply go up here and go TradingView. This is the YouTube search, TradingView. So if I'm going to do a TradingView tutorial, so this is like if you want to do a golf tutorial, you can do what it like. If I was going to do this for golf, you'd go golf how to. So these are some really good macro topics: how to drive, how to chip, how to hit irons, how to swing. So this is, if you've got a golf YouTube channel, you have got tons of starting points right here. And then under each of these topics, you could make 10 videos on. So this is like the niche, and then each video would be a sub niche. So 1, 2, 3, 4, there's like 15 there. You could get 150 videos out of this and blow up a channel really easily. So TradingView, so let's have a look. So I was searching before, and TradingView how to, and I noticed that one of the search terms was TradingView how to add an indicator. And if I click on that and search for it, the Tubebuddy plugin is now going to give me this extra panel here, and I'm going to show the keyword score. So it's going to show me, is this a good, it's going to give me a score out of 100. So the search volume is relatively low, but still reasonable because it's quite a niche topic. But you'll see that the competition, there's hardly anybody competing for TradingView how to add indicator. So we can go further with this, and we can do, I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go to the Tubebuddy panel, which is this one right here. Click on that and go to Keyword Explorer. Now, TradingView, I'm going to paste in my search term there and explore, and the free version is going to give me, I think, the top 3. In the paid version, it gives you an unlimited amount of suggestions. So we've got some other ones that we can explore here. How to add volume indicators on TradingView. How to add more indicators in the free. So these are more niched down topics. How to add custom indicator. So if I click on that, it will give me a score on this one. So these are straight out of YouTube. So you'll see here that that one's not so great because the search volume for that terminology is very low. We can test other things out. So how to add indicators to TradingView. See, it'll actually give you a list here. That one's not as good as TradingView how to add indicators. So it can be the way that you word it. I might even put a space in there and see how this works. So I'm just going to go with TradingView how to add an indicator. That's quite simple. So I've actually already made a video with this. So I've got that on my desktop. So I've made a short video, and then I'm going to, so this is step number 1. After you've done all this research and you've made a video about how to add indicators, which I have done, we name the title of the video the keyword that we want to rank for. So now my video is called TradingView how to add indicator. And now we're going to upload. So I'm going to get a brand new YouTube page. I am going to upload this video to YouTube. Upload video. Okay, so now this is the long tail keyword that we're wanting to rank for. TradingView, how to add indicator. So this is going to be right there in my description. We're going to pop it as the top thing in the description. We're also going to want to add a couple of sentences using these kinds of keywords over and over again. So in this video, I will show you how to add indicators to TradingView. So now we've got a little sentence there, a couple of sentences that are rich in the keywords. And then the next thing is we're going to add this long tail keyword as the, down a bit lower, the first tag. So that is critical. Now we want to find some other similar keywords that we want to, for this to rank for. So we could word this slightly differently. I'm going to go TradingView with a space, how to, and you'll see that Tubebuddy will actually give you some suggestions here as well. TradingView, how to add indicator. I might go TradingView, how to add an indicator. How to add an indicator to TradingView. And then usually just the word TradingView and TradingView tutorial. And you'll see here that I've used up 161 out of 500. I always max this out at the top, at the as many keywords as I can. So if you get a bit lazy, here's another little hot tip. You can go back to that search term and you can find someone else who is ranking quite high with lots of views. Click on their video and you can just steal the keywords from their video using the Tubebuddy tool and copy that. This one is not a great example. Let's find a better example. Much better. I'm going to copy this to the clipboard and then paste that in and just get rid of anything that's not really relevant. TradingView tutorial. I'm just going to get rid of a few of these now that when that line turns blue, now we're under that. And I'm going to make sure that it's in the right category. Science and technology is fine. Now, the last important thing is to give it a nice thumbnail. I use a free program called Canva right here. YouTube thumbnail. It's like an online designing tool. It'll give me free templates, and let's have a look. Here's one here that looks like it's a trading style template. Trading, yeah, beautiful. So right here, I'm going to go add indicators. Here we go. Add indicators to TradingView. Let's make that pop out a bit more. That'll do for the moment. Doesn't really matter. It's just better than what was on there. And I'm going to download this thumbnail, and then I can add the thumbnail right here, which should be on my desktop somewhere. So there we have it. That is everything we need to do. You can pop it on a playlist there. I'm going to pop it in crypto. I've got everything I need to get this to rank, and now let's see. We will find out within a couple of minutes whether we have ranked this for any keywords high in the search, which is likely to get us a lot of organic traffic. So I'm going to publish this right now to the public, and then I'm going to let the Google servers update, which usually takes a couple of minutes, and then I'll pause this video and come back, and we'll see if we have been successful in ranking this video for any of those search topics in our video tags. So what I'm going to do is view my video right here. This is my video, and I'm just going to pause it. I won't let it play. And you'll see here that if I go over here and go to show the search rankings, now if we see lots of green, that is great. So this is not exactly accurate for how it will show up for the whole world and like random people. This is for my search results. So because I've already watched videos on my channel, this will be a lot more generous. But let's see how I've ranked initially on TradingView how to add indicator by opening up a private page, going to YouTube, and seeing if I come up in the top 10. So there I am right there, number 3 for that search term. So I've ranked 3rd, which is amazing. I'm going to get a lot of organic traffic for this video. It won't blow up immediately. I wouldn't be surprised if this didn't get somewhere between 10,000 and 50,000 views over about a year or two. Although there's heaps of randomness to it. Sometimes it doesn't perform. Other times it way overperforms, and I'll get 500,000 views on a video. And I've got affiliate links on there to get people to sign up to TradingView. I'll get ad revenue if I put the ads on. So that's how you do it. That's how you use Tubebuddy, my favorite keyword research tool for YouTube. And I've just shown you my full strategy on how I create content for YouTube and get those videos to rank really high. So I get lots of channel growth, lots of organic traffic, and lots of good times all around. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel for more content. If you enjoyed this, give us a like and pop in a comment if you've got anything you'd like me to answer regarding the topic of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.